everybody! Welcome to another dance tutorial. We are Eleni and Elias, and today we're going to share with you some exercises we use for technique improvement and a small combination where you can apply these exercises. Torso twisting. Place your palms at chest level and keep your elbows slightly higher and wide open. Maintain a strong base with feet open approximately at shoulder level. Isolate your torso from the waist and twist your rib cage using the normal ChaChaCha timing. Timing. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 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 2, 3, 4 and 1. Demonstration to music. Hips and ribs flexibility. Place your feet together with toes slightly open. Weight must be collected on one leg with straightened knee. The other one must be relaxed. Start squeezing your sides of the standing leg on every beat while using phrasing of 8 beats. Changing weight first every 8 counts, then every 4 counts, every 2, and last, change weight for 4 consecutive times. Timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeat the exercise. Demonstration to music. Time step in place. Stand with feet together and toes slightly open. Start changing weight from foot to foot using the basic rhythm of ChaChaCha. Twist your hips from side to side while using strong contraction through the abdominals. Keep correct posture throughout all the exercise. Be careful to straighten your knees in each weight transfer. Timing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 1. Demonstration to music. Combination of figures. Actions. Check forward walk and rond de chassé. Backward walk, weight replace. Hip twist chassé. Cuban breaks to right. First 1 Cuban break slow, and then 2 quicks. Then repeat to the left. Finish with syncopated time step twice. Extra tips. Make clear the ronde action using a straightened knee. At the hip twist chassé, Twist strongly your hips. At the Cuban breaks, collect only part weight on the moving leg. At the time step, do not forget to close your feet together and keep the timing. Timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Demonstration to music. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media. Share with your friends. For any requests, comment below. See you at the next one.